Hi everyone, welcome to the Baguette Investor Channel for a new video. Today this is not a tutorial, this is not a weekly market review. It's just I want to share with you how my positions are doing on stocks, because if you didn't see, I released a video where I'll explain how to use the earnings screener that allows you to detect opportunities with post-earning announcement drift. If you don't know what post-earning announcement drift is, simply when a stock publishes its revenue, like there, you can see the revenue published, the price breaks above the resistance with strength, volume, and leads to another bullish trend that can last for quite some time, and the probability of success are higher. And how do you trade that? You put a trigger buy above the resistance and you hope for the price to break, and if it breaks, you are taken in the trade and then you can ride the trend. I applied that to all the stocks that I have right there in front of your eyes. So BRO, PNR, TEL, and ALGN. This is all post-earning announcement drift strategy. You can see that the strategy is working quite nice at the moment because the market is looking good. The indexes are great, and the individual stocks, many of them are great. So yeah, this is how my positions are doing. I'm very glad. If you've not seen the tutorial again, you can go and either in the description or the channel page, and you'll be able to check the tutorial on this way. So it allows you to detect post-earning announcement drift opportunities. You see that I have some over here. I just saw one on BMO. This is a post-earning announcement drift for a semiconductor stocks. You can see that it's breaking out right when I'm talking to you. Right now, it's 15:34 in France, so 4 minutes after the American market opened, to give you an idea. And you can see that it's doing there also on BCPC. Unfortunately, I can't take any more positions. I have too much risk. I need to cancel the risk on some of my positions. But you can see that right now the volume is not coming, but it's a great trade. You know what you do? You try to spot the post-earning announcement drift, the potential post-earning announcement drift, then you set a trigger buy order, and if it breaks above, you are taken into the trade. I'm going to show you another opportunity. This is an aborted post-earning announcement drift. You can see that there was a beautiful configuration with a cup and handle with earnings that were supposed to be released. It was either today or this morning. And you can see that it did not break out. So if you had your trigger buy order right there, you were not triggered, you were not taken into the trade, and you are peaceful with your mind. Let's look at the other stocks. This is also a future post-earning announcement drift. This is Roku, ROKU. There is some volume accumulating, and you can see that the earnings are on August 4. And if you want to see where the earnings will be published either before the market, so this is going to be August 4 after the market closes in the evening. So the trading with the news will be in the post market. I'll explain everything about that in future videos if you're interested into trading stocks, but that was just a quick update on my post earning announcement drift strategy. Hope that you think it's interesting. If you don't, never mind. I trade stocks. I want to make money. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos. Hit a like if you found this interesting. Goodbye.